everyone, welcome back. I'm Miss Sini and I'm an intern in LEXIS and Company. So, the topic which we are going to cover in today's video is Union and Territories, which is mentioned in Article 1 to 4 of Indian Constitution. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The Constitution is nothing but a legal document, and Indian Constitution is the supreme law of India. It explains the various players who are in authority in the country, their powers, the limits of their powers, etc. It also defines the fundamental rights and duties of the citizen. World's largest constitution, presently having 448 articles in 25 chapters and 12 schedules. But it has 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules in commencement time. Part 1 of the Constitution is titled as Union and its Territory. These parts come under the article from Chapter 1 to 4. So let us discuss the Union and its Territory in detail. Article 1 to 4 under Part 1 of Constitution explains Union and its territory. So let us understand each article in detail. Article 1, Clause 1 states that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Clause 2 states that states and territories will be specified in Schedule 1. Clause 3 says that the territory of India will comprise of the following, that is, territory of the states, union territory mentioned in part 1 of the schedule, and other such territories which may be acquired. So, Article 1 describes India as a union of states. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar states that Indian Federation was a union because it was indissoluble, and also no state has the right to separate from Indian Union. The country is one integral unit besides the fact that it consists of different states for convenience of administration. The phrase Union of India and Territory of India has differentiated. The Union of India includes only the state enjoying the status of being a member of the federal system and sharing the power with the Union. The territory of India includes not only the states but also the union territories and such other territories as may be acquired by India in future. First schedule of the Constitution has specified states and territories both. Now let us move to Article 2. It deals with admission or establishment of new states. Parliament may by law admit it into union or establish new state based on the terms and conditions. Now move to Article 3. It states that Parliament may by law form a new state by separation of a territory from any state or by uniting two or more states completely or in parting or by uniting any territory to a part of any state. It deals with the following, that is, formation of new state, alteration of the area of the state, or boundaries or name of the existing states. Thus, Parliament may increase or diminish the area of any state or alter the boundaries or the name of the state. Parliament follows the following procedure in this regard. Step 1 is either House of the Parliament only on the recommendation of the President can introduce a bill giving effect to any or all the changes mentioned above. Step 2, if such a bill affects the boundary or state name of the state, then the President will refer to the bill to be concerned state legislature before introducing it in the Parliament for their opinion. Step 3, the state legislature fails to express an opinion with the given time limit, then it is deemed to have been expressed its views. Parliament is not bound to accept or act upon the views of the state legislature even if the state has submitted their views within the time period. In the case of union territory, it is not necessary to seek the views of legislature of union territory before such bill. Now let us understand Article 4. It says that any law referred to in Article 2 or Article 3 will contain such provision for the amendment of Schedule 1 to Schedule 5 necessary to provide effects to the provision of law and may also contain such supplemental, incidental or consequential provision as the Parliament may deem necessary. This article shows for consensual changes in first schedule, that is name of the states in Union of India, to fourth schedule, that is a number of seats allotted in Rajya Sabha for each state, constitution will not threat any law altering existing states or create a new state as an amendment. Now, there always comes a question, that is Article 3 a further extension of Article 2 with some more added feature? So, now let us see the answer to this question. Article 2 is related to admission or establishment of new states that are not part of India. Thus, this article provides power to create a new state beyond the present territory. On the other hand, Article 3 deals with the establishment or creation of a new state after the recognition of existing states which already are a part of India. Thus, Article 3 demonstrates the vulnerability and dependence of the state's territorial integrity on the nation. So, I hope that this video helped you to understand part 1 to part 4 of the Constitution, which is a very important Constitution in our India. So, we'll be back with yet another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, thank you.